Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are here in Atlanta, and that right there is the man who made it all possible. And behind him is the Atlanta Motor Speedway. Let's take you for a quick tour on the final destination for the Hot Rod Power Tour 2022. Ah! It's a little bit different here at the Atlanta Motor Speedway.
Yeah.
Instead of the fairgrounds, there's stuff you can watch, things you can do.
Cars wrecking.
They have cars wrecking and doing all kinds of things. This is a Camry that's been going around the track right there. Back all the way over there is where we need to go to get our lanyards punched. And Randy gets his plaque, which makes it official. But I gotta tell you, it was fun driving in here.
Wasn't it?
This was really cool. They had all kinds of people lined up along the road. They were waving and Randy was honking his horn and of course letting him listen to the exhaust of his car. He'd punch it once or twice and then get the gurgle, gurgle, gurgle at the back end. And it was really, really cool. We followed some really nice cars on the way in here through some of the back roads to Hampton, Georgia. We did have a crazy BMW M5 in front of us, so that kind of put a damper on things. I was hoping to focus on hot rods, but that's okay. Everybody is welcome. So let's take you for a final tour as we say goodbye to the Power Tour. All right, as we walk to get punched, we're gonna get punched up here, but that's a good thing. What do you think? What are your thoughts on this? We made it. The car made it. To watch all the fun on the drive up here, you got to watch Randy's channel because we had some drama.
We had some drama.
Which was okay. There's always drama. Makes a YouTube video better. But did you ever doubt the car other than the first 10 minutes?
Yes. No. Sometimes. But no. When it started overheating, definitely was doubting it.
Yeah.
When it cooled down, never doubted it for a minute. Now that we're here, no, I never doubted it.
Woo! It was a long 5 days.
It's a long
I'll give you
haul.
that. It was a long haul.
Yeah.
And we're long haulers. The big ballers. You want to get stamped in here?
Yeah.
Okay. The only complaint I have about the whole thing is they have the same vendors. So we've seen the upside down truck 3 times. 4 times, I think.
5, I don't know.
Yeah, and then we've seen Summit Racing. And some of the cars, they change out some of them. Ligenfelter's been here before. A lot of these vendors, and so you kind of walk by it after 1 or 2 days because you've seen it before. Other than that,
at 289.
where?
We've been trying to meet him in the Maverick for the last 5 days.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, there he is. That's him with the cap on backwards. That's Luke.
Well, why don't you go say hi?
Because I'm going to go get my card stamped.
Oh, okay. We'll get the card stamped, then we're going to meet the riffraff. No, I'm kidding. The guy's famous. Okay, here we are. We're going to watch Randy get his plaque. This is going to be cool. He's really excited about this. Thank you, ma'am. I had to rip it out. It would not come out. Do I get one of those things too? Oh. Howdy, howdy.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you. This is cool, thank you. Ah! All right, sir, you got your plaque.
And so do you.
And thank you very much. I really do. This is like the coolest thing ever. What do you think?
I'm happy. We may do it again next year.
Yeah?
In a more
Very
modern
cool.
car, maybe.
With air conditioning
Yeah.
and a good radiator.
Yeah, and a radio.
And a radio. That would be nice.
Yeah.
That would be nice. Let's go look and I hear all kinds of sounds going over there. Let's just see what's
going on
happening
over
over
there.
there. Ha! Yeah, because we've seen all of this stuff before. This is all the same stuff. Same Toyotas. Different outhouses. Porta potties. Which is a good thing. But let's kind of see what's going on. Coney Ice, always here. Did you see that wide woman go in the wide porta potty?
I did not.
She was really wide. Wow. Now, they're letting people take laps or they're taking them for rides, I guess. Wait, let's go this way. Yeah. Here we go. Celebrate with a beer or a Powerade. The Aloha Bar. Wow. Okay. Goodness. Now back in the day, when I was a news anchor here, I got to drive on this. I'll try to. You know what? I should find some footage of that. I have it somewhere.
This is Mike Brooks in the number 8 car at Atlanta Motor Speedway.
Woo.
Do you need this steering wheel over here? Just tight.
I'm not going anywhere.
Good. That's the whole point.
My goodness.
Okay. Look over to your right. You gonna take a picture?
All right, here we go.
Very good. Thank you.
It was some racing school, so I did a story on it, and they let me put on a suit, and I got to drive a NASCAR, and I got to follow somebody, and they would actually wave you a green flag if you needed to catch up to your driver. You're too far back, and they'd wave a red flag if you're too close, and they wanted you to back up a little bit. We'll watch these two take off right here. Couple of tangs. Yeah, I think I got some video. I'll have to put that up there. I don't remember how fast I got to go, but it was fun. Woo! Okay. I don't know who won. Let's see what else. Who's coming up next? Okay, let's race our truck. All right, a truck. And a Challenger? Okay, this will be good to see. So these are people, come on truck! Oh! Wow! Holy moly! Okay, go truck! They have a Challenger and a Vet. I love the sound of this. Okay, here we go. They got these guys running quick. Woo! These guys can move. One thing I do remember is on the banks on these things. You're like almost sideways. I felt like I could reach out the door and touch the ground through the window. Because it's such a steep angle. I was kind of pushing it actually. Camaro SS versus a Charger. Who's it going to be? He didn't sound very good. All right, I've snuck my way into the Platinum. I think. I didn't have to sneak anyway. This, I think, is for the Platinum members. Look at Bowman's Speed Shop. Cool truck with the patina. Yes, please. Look at how nice that is. You think she'll go? Oh, that's nice. Very cool. Little hand-painted GMC on there. Okay. You want a Super B? I just happen to have one. Beautiful, huh? Doing the Power Tour 2016, 17, 18, 19. There's a look inside. 6-pack under the hood. How about a Mustang? I really think I want a Mustang. I really, really want one. This will go. Maybe I should get one of these and do the Power Tour with Randy next time. Yeah, it depends on where I am. How long I can survive. Shelby, yes, please. Or should I buy this and out Viper Randy himself? Yeah, how about a Viper GTS? Woo, she's purty. Supercharger, nice. Hard top. It wouldn't be a convertible like Randy's, but I could maybe go a little faster than him. No, I couldn't because I'm a chicken. He drives fast. I drive like a grandpa. The grandpa that I am. Good looking car though with those tires. Woo! This might be the Platinum Club. Well, it's the media center as well. This is where I went in to do that school thing years and years and years ago. I remember that. But let's take a look at what's happening here. We'll kind of sneak in this way and just see what's going on. I just want to watch these guys go around the track a time or two. So I guess you sign up over here and you get a car. You get a Camry. What is that? A Supra, another Supra, and something else. Come on, Camry, let's go. Show us. Show us what you got. Let's see if I can do this. There. Okay. Okay. Camry's not doing very much. Come on. Do me. Oh, they are. Okay. Okay, this guy's going. He's going pretty quick. Here comes the Supra. Nice. Don't kill it. There you go. Woo! Wow. Do you get to choose your car or do you have to? That's a good one. No. Go. There's the red car. That guy's pretty good. All right, folks, that's going to do it. Love to watch these cars spin out. You just killed it. Okay, that's all right. Anyway, what a journey it's been. Thanks for watching. I think I have 3 videos from the Hot Rod Power Tour 2022. And a big thanks to Randy himself for this cool plaque, is what they're calling it. And proof that we did it. Right there. Yes, sir, Bob. We made it. That old 69 Chevelle did it. And I think she did it very, very well. So, you know I had to get some ice cream. That's my next stop. After that, well, it's back to work. Yep, I got a Mustang. I have a 69 280 SC from Mercedes. And of course, I have a 560 SEC that's coming back on the channel. Yes, I'm tired of that car just sitting there and not working, not doing anything for me. So we're gonna get back to work on the SEC. So stay tuned for that, folks. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, please tell your friends and spread the word. Hug those kids if you got them, okay? Bye, everybody.